Derek Baldwin Jr.
Thank you, sir. One moment. Mr. Baldwin, you've got some traffic matters where you missed court dates. And when you missed those dates, the judge issued an arrest warrant for you. You do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you. You also have the right to an attorney, and if you cannot afford an attorney, the court will provide one for you. Do you understand those rights, sir?
Yes, I understand.
All right, give me 1 second and we'll go through these tickets and we'll set you up with another date for those. All right. First ticket is P1220966. Charge of failure to display valid operator's license. Ticket P1271915, driving while license suspended. P1297277, driving while license suspended. No insurance misdemeanor, driving unregistered vehicle. Ticket P1297423, failure to display valid operator's license. Ticket P1398672, improper plates and driving unregistered vehicle. And ticket 217268991, no insurance misdemeanor. Sir, these are all misdemeanor charges. Maximum penalty you face on each is up to 93 days in jail and or $500 fine. What I'm going to do is set aside the arrest warrants, enter a not guilty plea on your behalf, and give you personal bonds on all of these. Your next court date will be a pre-trial, May 15, in front of Judge Yancey here in 36th District Court. And for your more serious matter, this is case 22059132, State of Michigan versus Marcus Undaric Baldwin Jr. Counsel.
Steve Vincent for the people. Thank you.
Right around PA 3665.
Court will enter a not guilty plea on your client's behalf. There is a $5,000 cash surety capias in the file. Looks to be signed by Judge Stanford Jones, September of last year. And the case is currently on Judge Giles' docket as to file.
No argument regarding bond. This court adopted the previous bond recommendation.
Judge, Mr. Baldwin, this is actually an interesting one. He indicates that in 2019, he was actually robbed.
A little closer to the mic so he can hear you.
Judge, this case is actually a bit interesting. In 2019, Mr. Baldwin indicates that he was a victim of a robbery, and a part of the thing stolen from him were his driver's license. It's his position that he was out of the state on August 12, 2022. Hopefully, he can bring some proof at the preliminary exam and this can get disposed of. He was never aware of a court date. He indicates he was never arrested for this before. I'm not going to rain on this. I was rolling the fingerprint checks that we done now, Judge, and if there is, that I would make the motion to make that happen. He doesn't have any prior criminal history. He's gainfully employed. But when we talk about this, I mean, he wants to clear his name. He's really good on the case. I understand. I don't have authority to judge Giles at this time. I'm not going to hear it. Before 4:30, Judge, but that's all I have. I don't have any other authority.
The court certainly sympathizes with Mr. Baldwin if the identification is incorrect. However, unfortunately, Mr. Baldwin, I'm the low man on the totem pole around here, and I don't have the authority to change that capias bond. I certainly wish I did. If counsel had any further support of this identity issue, but I don't. So the court is compelled to set bond in accordance with the capias at $5,000 cash. Hold on, sir. Hold on. $5,000 cash for surety. Sir, I do not have the authority to make it any lower than that. If I did, I would. So, and I'm certain
We're working on it.
your counsel's going to work on getting, he's working on trying to get that lowered by the end of the day. So I know this is a horrific experience for you, and your attorney is working diligently to straighten that out for you. Next court date will be a next court date will be a bond redetermination hearing Monday morning, 4/24. Future dates after that are May the 1st and May the 8th for probable cause conference and preliminary exam respectively, both in front of Judge Giles.
Thank you.
All right. And sir, again, your counsel is working on getting that lowered. So if he's able to do that, we'll call you back later this afternoon.
Okay, Your Honor. And one thing, can I say something for the record? When they bought
No,
the
your attorney just left. I don't want you to say anything on the record that may implicate yourself in any way. Okay, I'm sure he would give you that advice if he hadn't just walked out of the courtroom.
All right, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, sir. And counsel, just so the record's clear, while you were away, Mr. Baldwin wanted to make a comment on the record. I stopped him and advised him that without you being here, we would not be taking his comments, but that you were trying to get his bond adjusted before the end of the day.
Thank you, Your Honor. And yes, Mr. Baldwin, I'm gonna.
That's not Mr. Baldwin.
Oh, he's gone.
Yeah, he's gone.